valuable update to Apple Maps that comes with iOS 14 is cycling directions. While Google Maps has had this feature for some time, Apple goes step further by including if you'll be using bike lanes or side roads on your route, toggle to avoid busy roads or hills, and more. Read along for a look at how to use the Apple Maps cycling directions in iOS 14. While it may have been self-selecting sample, when my colleague Ben Lovejoy wrote feature request last year that Apple should add cycling directions to Apple Maps, 98% of 9 to 5 Mac readers agreed in poll. So it's probably fair to say this is something many will be excited to see arrive with iOS 14. As with other Apple Maps updates we've seen, cycling directions won't be available in all areas, but it's worth checking where you live regularly to see when they're added. We've found them available in the Bay Area to get a peek at how the new feature looks and works on iPhone, but haven't seen them available elsewhere yet. iOS 14. How to use detailed cycling directions in Apple Maps. Open Apple Maps and use the search bar to look for directions. Tap the new bicycle icon to change the route type. If Apple Maps cycling directions are available in your location, you'll see an elevation overview for the ride along with distance and estimated travel time. You can swipe up on the direction card to get toggles for avoiding busy roads or hills as well as reporting issues. Tap the elevation graph time estimate to see route details before you start the guidance. Tap Go when you're ready to roll. Here's how cycling directions look in Apple Maps in iOS 14 on iPhone. Here's what you'll see if cycling directions aren't available where you're searching. You can also find new settings for cycling directions in Apple Maps in the Settings app. These include setting cycling as your preferred type of travel and toggles to avoid hills and busy roads.